okay, when somebody stepped on the ant, and only one ant had survived, okay, what could be the total population of the ant? Okay, what could be the total population of the ant? It should only be what? Ito na lang, isa na lang. On that case, okay, as time passed by, millions of years, okay, so this organism will what? Will survive. On that case, what happened? Okay, so what happened to their genes on this particular area? Ano nangyari? Okay, the genes of these organisms had what? Had disappeared. Okay, on that case, we are referring to the fourth one, which is known as what happens to the genes of a certain organism. The organisms here died, and this one survived. Okay, now what happened here? This will go to another place as their genes will drift away. So the third term is known as agudo. It is known as followed by F. What is the word? Yes. Okay, once again, what is the answer, Mike? Yes, it's known as genetic drift. Okay, so that's the fourth. Okay, that's the fourth examples of the mechanisms of evolution. So the United States. Okay, are you familiar with Caballo, with the President of the United States? Who is the? Okay, yes, we have Barack Obama. Barack Obama is a product of what colors? Of the races. It is known as black plus white. Okay, it's resulting to what? It's resulting to okay, now for black and white, what did you notice? Okay, what did you notice? Okay, is there a product? Okay, oh, it is a sum. Okay, black plus white, the answer is Obama. Okay, so on that case, what happens to the genes of the black and the white? Okay, so what happens to the genes of the black and white? They what? They combine. On that case, what would be the term we can call it? Anyone? If the genes of the black and white, okay, so it is known as what? Yes. Genetic variation. Yes, there could be genetic variations. Okay, the exact term is known as what? Very good. It is known as what? A gene flow. What happened? The gene of black goes to what? Goes to white. Any questions? Are you sure? Okay, so can I erase now? Okay. It's known as natural selection. When an organism adapts, okay, for a certain environment, what they call the term for evolution, what is? Yes, known as adaptation. When there is a flow of genes, for example, from Barack, okay, so another Michelle, okay, the wife of Barack, okay, so it's known as what? It's known as a gene flow. Any question? Okay, now this time we will have a certain evaluation if you really understand the discussion. Okay, the name of the game is, we will have to play a game is known as Jeopardy. Okay, so please. Next we have more to evolve. Okay, two, then better placed in groups, nothing two. Okay, now for every box here, for every cell, there would be corresponding points. Now, okay, who will be the player, you will have to choose what category. Okay, so for a certain category, there should be corresponding points if and only you could answer the question. Okay, so any question? Okay, once again, okay, there will be categories. You will have to point out, okay, what do you want to answer? Take note. Okay, if you got the wrong answer, there should be what? There should be deduction of what points you selected. Okay, now on that case, I have here written questions. Okay, now we have group 1, 2, and group 3. Okay, now question. Who would be the first to make a certain species of your group? Okay, Camille, what could be the species of your group? They got a species. Just name of an animal. Name of an animal. Give me one. Animal. Name of an animal. Faster. Dinosaur. Okay, already extinct. Oh, just another one. Already extinct. Okay, another. Oh, this one. Third, it's pronounced as tortoise. If you pronounce tortoise. Okay, tortoise. Okay, next. Pig. Once again, pig. Tortoise. Next. We have tiger. Now, tiger. Okay, all of these. Start. Pick category here. Start. Start. Terminal to Eagle. What points? What do you want points? How many points do you want? 200 points. Okay, good question. For terminal to Eagle, that's category 2. Okay, category 2. Second one, question. Okay, it is known as the permanent chains of genetic material. For 200 points, what is the answer? Once again, it is the permanent chains of genetic material. You will just answer just 20 seconds. Okay, you will hear this one. You mistake, time is up. Okay, time is up. Next, group 2. It's known as mutation. Next. Category 2. What points? Okay, 2. Okay, for 400 points, group 2, very short question. Okay, traits are usually, fill in the blank, traits are usually favored by blank. Blank only when they result in more reproductively successful offspring. Meaning to say, if they could reproduce, okay, in a certain environment, their organisms survive. Once again, it is the traits are favored usually 400 group not 400. Okay, so second one. Your question for today. Okay, what is the chromosome pair for men? 400 points. The chromosome pair for men. Men. Oh, okay. Group 2, group 3. 200 points. Okay, operator, that's category 4. Number 1. Okay, how about, this is about 1/3 the size of X chromosome. Okay, the partner of X, about the 1/3 the size of X chromosome. Yes, very good. You got 200 points. Okay, next. Okay, group 1 reported on what best mechanism of evolution? That's your group. Oh, the answer is wrong. The answer is what? Natural. For 200 points, Tarsier is native to what country that starts with P? Tarsier is native to what country that starts with P? Yes, very good. That's points. Who is the father of evolution? Very good. Next, you still have the chance. What's her? More evil, 200 points. Okay, that's 3, category 3. Number 1, birthday of Charles Darwin. When was? Oh, okay. Wrong. You should have only one answer. Darwin was born February 12, 1809. Oh, I know. Okay, next group. Passer, groups natin. Okay, groups natin to. Okay, 1,000 points. Okay, so groups natin to 1,000 points. Last question. Who is your teacher now in biology? 1,000. Very good. The rest of the contestants, Tiger, and Curtis, you are extinct. Okay, so 80 questions. Okay, now on the case, with a certain place, for example, are you familiar with Africa? No. Okay, in Africa there is a certain mountain there. Okay, so it's a little bit of mountain. In Africa there, it is the home of what? What animal starts with CHR? Okay, let's mention if you want to resist. Huh? Cheetah. Ano your answer? Okay, people that. Very good. That's chimpanzee. Okay. The chimpanzee, okay, is grouped into two. Okay, once again, the chimpanzee is grouped into two. Okay, but in 2 million years, okay, before this time, okay, it is believed that we have only one kind of chimpanzee. Now, okay, there were environmental tragedies or situations that happen wherein there is the creation of the certain what? It's known as, what do you call that river? It is known as Congo River. If you pronounce Congo River. There were species, okay, that were created. Now, there's time. Define speciation. What is speciation?
That the demo will continue even if this is an ordinary situations, ordinary days could be done. And I wish that most teachers, well articulated by the teacher, but I was just asking, will the students be able to master? Will the students be able to retain what were discussed by the very energetic Rolando the Great? Imagine, isang unit, 30 minutes lang. Of course, he has the mastery of the topic, and that was excellent. But for us, we are now speaking because I am talking to you because you are the leaders in your school, in your own respective school. May I suggest though that we have to make it